Welcome back. In this episode, we'll finish up the Sonata by putting it back together. So the next thing to do is put the new head gasket on. Make sure you put it on the right way so that the hole over here by this dowel is in the right place. Now I'll put the head on. There we go. Next we want to tighten up the head bolts. For the 99 to 2005 Sonatas, you don't have to change the head bolts, but they're torque to angle bolts, so the manual says to torque them down to 14 inch-pounds and then crank them around 90 degrees and then do a 90 degree again, so you have to do all of them to 14 and then the two 90s individually. So the torque pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'll do them in that order. Then we spin them down. So once you get them all snugged up, you want to torque them down to 168 inch-pounds according to the manual. Oops, we want to start with the 1. Now we want to do the first 90 degree. Okay, now I got them all to 90 degrees, so I want to do that one more time. That's supposed to be able to get a more consistent torque. Now I'll put the little timing sensor cover on. $12mm. The cover is held on by two 12mm bolts. Now we can put the valve cover gasket on. We'll do up the 10mm bolts. Kind of snug them all up first. So now I'm going to adjust the timing to get the valves as close to that mark as possible. You want to make sure you have them relatively close beforehand because you can't crank it all the way around or the valves will hit the heads or the cylinders. Oh, that doesn't fit in there. Okay, now I'll put the timing belt on. One more thing to note before we put the timing belt on is that this oil pump pulley has a timing mark on it that lines up right there with the little boss on the block. Don't know why they did that. Seems like it would work anyway, but we'll make sure we put it right. Well, it looks like I failed on this one because I didn't realize that 10 years ago my kids overwrote the video with this. Stay tuned for some exciting news. Looks like we got eggs for breakfast. Thanks for watching this final Sonata video of putting the head back on. Please leave a comment of your thoughts. Have a great day.